Hello, everyone. Today I'm just going to show how to do an independent t-test and a repeated measures t-test on SPSS. So first, I'm going to do the independent t-test. So I'm going to pull up my invisibility.sav file and just start from there. So to run the independent t-test, you first click Analyze, and then you go to Compare Means, and then you go to after you do compare means, you go to independent samples t-test and you click on that. And then you want to transfer mischievous acts to the test variables box by just dragging it over. And then you're going to transfer cloak of invisibility to the grouping variable. And then you're going to click define groups. And we have 0 for no cloak and 1 for cloak, and click continue. And then we can click on options and make sure there's a 95% confidence interval. And once we figure that out, we can click OK or continue. And then we'll click OK to run the analysis. And then we'll see that it pops out over here. There we go. You can see my independent samples test box. So that's how we do the independent t-test. So now I'm going to do the repeated measures t-test, which I'm going to pull my invisibility RM data set out for. And you're going to start by doing analyze, compare means, and instead of doing independent this time, I'm going to click on the paired samples t-test. And we're going to click Control and select both of these and drag them over to this place, to this box. And once we've done that, we can click Options and make sure there's a 95% confidence interval. And then we're going to go ahead and click OK to run the analysis. And once you go over here, you can see that my paired samples test box has come into my output box. So that's how you run the independent t-test and the repeated measures t-test. Just for the sake of time, I didn't 100% show the bootstrapping, but when you do bootstrapping, the box comes out. So here's my bootstrapping box for my paired samples test. And then I'll show you real quick my bootstrapping box for, here we go, for my independent samples test. Okay, well, thank you for tuning in.